Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this is solving two-step linear inequalities. And you've probably seen this paper before. The one difference between solving inequalities and solving equations is the idea that if you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative, you must flip the inequality symbol. Here's the demonstration of why. 4 is less than 8. If I divide both sides by -1, I get -4 is less than -8, which doesn't make sense. I have to flip the inequality symbol. So if you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative, you have to flip the inequality symbol. That's the only thing that's different between equations and inequalities. So let's solve this one right here. And we are going to see the flip on this one right away. All right. 8 minus 2j is less than or equal to 10. Subtracting 8 from both sides gives me -2j is less than or equal to 2. Dividing both sides by a negative, here's the flip coming up. J is greater than or equal to -1. J is greater than or equal to -1. Same type of problem. There will not be a flip on this one though. Subtracting 6 from both sides. 2k is less than 4. Dividing by 2, k is less than 2. No flip because I divided both sides by a +2. K is less than 2. There will be a flip on this one. -3 minus 3q less than or equal to 3. Adding 3 to both sides. -3q is less than or equal to 6. Dividing both sides by a negative. Dividing both sides by a negative, that means the flip's about to happen. 6 divided by -3 is -2. There's the flip. You can see it just occurred. Okay, I'm going to jump a level. Take these up to the 40s. All right. This one will require a flip. I'm going to start by adding 3 to both sides. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by a -4. When I multiply both sides by a -4, a flip must occur. There's the flip. 1 times -4 is -4. So I multiplied both sides by a negative, had to flip the inequality symbol. This one will require a flip. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. That's going to give me 8 is less than -q. Dividing both sides by a -1 to get rid of the negative that's on the q. And here's the flip. -8 is greater than q. Now, I could put it in like this, but what I'm going to do is I call it a flop. I really like to have the q on the left side, so q is less than -8. It's a complete flop. Notice that the inequality is still eating the -8. It's eating the -8. I haven't changed the inequality. I've just cleaned it up a little bit. Q less than -8. This one will not require a flip or a flop. I'm going to jump to a next level. I don't see anything magical here. T over 17 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2, adding 1 to both sides. T over 17 is less than or equal to 3, multiplying both sides by 17. No flip, no flop. What is that, 51? T is less than or equal to 51. Nothing crazy here. It will require, I'll do it. It will require a flip and a flop. 98 greater than or equal to 16 minus z, subtracting 16 from both sides. It's going to take me to 72? 72? No. 82? Let me just check that. Yeah, that takes me to an 82. Good. And now dividing both sides by a -1. Here's the flip. 82. Negative 82 is less than or equal to z. See the flip that just occurred right there? There's the flip. And here's the flop, just because I like to write it this way better. Notice the mouth is eating the z. Notice that the mouth is eating the z either way. Excuse me. Z is greater than or equal to negative 82. Gonna jump a level. I don't see anything crazy there. I don't see anything crazy here either. Subtract 877, divide both sides by -1. Make sure you flip the inequality symbol. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.